With hard work and dedication, you can make money online and achieve financial freedom. Someone might say money is not important in our life, but we say make sure you earn a lot before you speak such a nonsense. While money is not the only measure of success or happiness, it can be a valuable tool that helps us lead fulfilling and comfortable lives. Are you ready to choose to learn how to make money online and get paid? Great! Here are some steps you can choose to take to start earning an income from the internet. Choose to identify your skills and strengths. Choose to determine your target market. Choose a business model. Choose the business model that best aligns with your skills and goals. Choose to promote your business. Additionally, consider choosing to subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can help you with ideas and inspiration for your online business. Remember, the key to success is to choose and identify your strengths, choose to understand your target market, choose business model that fits your goals, choose to create an online presence, also choose to promote your business, and be consistent and persistent in your efforts. With financial freedom, the sky is the limit, the ability to live life, not just visit, no longer a prisoner of the 9 to 5, the world is our oyster.